Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome again to my channel, Second Math Hub, the solution to your math problems. Let's quickly solve this question on Core Mathematics, November-December 2024. Objective question number 46. So we are to arrange the following in ascending order of magnitude. So for ascending order of magnitude, it is an arrangement which is done from the smallest number to the biggest number, or from the least number to the highest number. So in order to arrange these numbers, we need to represent the numbers in such a way that it could be easily arranged. So in doing this, we have two different methods. You can use the LCM approach, whereby you find the LCM of 9, 4, 6, and then 3, and find the common denominator so that we can easily do the arrangement. Another approach is also by using the decimal approach. The decimal approach, whereby each of the common fractions will be converted into decimals. So now let's use a decimal approach. Now, starting with -5 on 9, you want to convert it into decimal. So using your calculator, just enter -5 divided by 9. You press the equal sign. So I'm having -0.5555. So the 5 is recurring. Also for -1 on 4. So -1 on 4. That is -0.25. Now the third number, -5 on 6. Again, using the calculator, -5 on 6, we have -0.8333. The 3 is recurring. And then lastly, -2 on 3. So -2 on 3, we have -0.6666. The 6 is also recurring. Now, to get a standard way, let's convert each of the decimal into two decimal places. So 0.55, two decimal places, we have 0.56. Sorry, -0.56. Now -0.25 is already in two decimal places, so we just repeat it. Now -0.8333, to two decimal places, we have -0.83. And then -0.666, two decimal places, we have -0.67. Now take note. This is negative numbers. So let's take notes. For example, between -2 and -5, which of them is bigger, or which of them is the biggest? So let's say we have two different people. This is Kofi, this is Amma. Kofi owes 2 Ghana cedis, and then Amma owes 5 Ghana cedis. And let's say they did some work and then each of them received 10 Ghana cedis. So 10 Ghana cedis, each of them is going to do, or each of them will settle their debts. So after Kofi has settled his debts, he will still have 8 Ghana cedis left. And then for Amma, after settling the 5 cedis debt, she will be left with what? 5 Ghana cedis. So between the two, each of them has money, or has a lot of money than his or her friend. You see that Kofi has more money than Amma. So because of that, -2 out of 3 is bigger, and the -5 is smaller. So for negative numbers, the smaller the number, the higher its value. So that is all you need to know about negative numbers. Smaller negative numbers has higher values than bigger negative numbers. So with this, we can then start with the arrangement. Remember that the arrangement is done in ascending order. So meaning from the smallest to biggest, or the biggest number. Okay, so now what is the least number here? Looking at the decimals, the smallest number. So we see that for the decimals, if there wasn't any negative, then 0.83 is bigger. And we said that for negative numbers, higher numbers have smaller value. So the smallest number among these four numbers is negative 0.83. Its common fraction is negative 5 out of 6. So from there, what is the next number? The next number. So the next number that will follow will be negative 0.76, whose common fraction is giving us negative 2 on 3, then followed by negative 0.56, whose common fraction is negative 5 on 9, and then finally negative 0.25, whose common fraction is negative 1 on 4. So by comparing, what should be the right answer? What should be the right answer? So the right answer is option C. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share the video for others to benefit. Thanks for your support.